In the 1985 film Back to the Future, Marty McFly uses a flip clock to wake himself up. I own a flip clock. It's the same model, but it's not working. So we're going to take it apart and figure out what the heck is going on inside of here. This is my first time to take it apart. I didn't know how many screws there were. There were more than 3 though, but I do know I do need to take these knobs off, and then we'll be able to get the cover off, and off camera we'll remove the other screws. It's going to be awesome. We're going to take a look inside of here, and look at that. All right, there's a speaker and some chips and a thing. I don't know what that, a knob maybe. Yeah, it's a knob. And this thing's supposed to spin, and it's not moving. And that is actually what is going to cause the little flippy clock numbers to come down. And I waited a minute, and see how slow that's going? That's not right. All right, so let's follow this in. The power comes in, goes up here, goes into this little isolation transformer, comes over this red, yellow, and white wire, goes up through here. Maybe, what are these little green springy things? They seem kind of loose. I mean, I'm going to play with them a little bit while the power's on, and I don't feel anything happening. Don't try this at home, kids. Let's see. This little board attached to the motor looks good. We'll check the voltage on that. We're gonna free the flippy clock. Oh my God, I didn't say that. Hold on a second. I knew that would happen. Look at that. I was talking about a rooster, okay? Shut up. Anyway, yeah, so I'm taking a good look at the motor, but then I got a good look at it, and I realized it started to spin when I freed it. So I cleaned it out as best as I could, blew into there. Watch this slow motion. Check it out. All right, it's amazing. So we fixed it, and we didn't really do much. We're going to check the voltage just to be sure. It's got 9.5 volts coming in. But it's working. We're going to put it back together and put it on the display, and we'll see how long this works, right? Yeah, flip clock for the win. Check it out. Yeah, we did it, and only said one thing wrong. Yeah.